afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2022 Honda Ridgeline RTL all-wheel drive. And this is finished in modern steel metallic. And you'll notice the 18-inch wheels match the same exterior color. .245 6018 Firestone Destination tires. This is equipped with backup camera, blind spot monitor, and front and rear collision mitigation. It does have the tonneau cover. And as well as the aluminum dual exhaust outlets. This is factory equipped with a Class 3 trailer hitch and trailer sway control, that 7-pin connector over there. I'm going to go around here and show you anything that stands out to me on my walk around. And just talk a little bit more about the car. We're up here at the driver front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches, no dents, no dings in there. Get you a walk down this body line. I didn't see any scratches or dents on the doors or the rear quarter tail bed. And back here at the driver rear wheel, same as that front, really good shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Front brakes measured at 10 millimeters, rear brakes measured at 8. And front and rear tires measure at 8 and 9/32 of tread life. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. I opened up the hood and it's basically like brand new. There is a small dent on the passenger door here. It's a little bit of a dent, and there's a little bit of a scratch there. Very small, hard to see when you're standing a few feet away. And finally up here at the passenger front wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no damage of any kind. No crazy amount of road rash on the front bumper of the hood. And to the inside, we've got black leather interior. This does have the power sliding rear window that is controllable up at the front where the sunroof button is. USB outlets. This has keyless entry and keyless start. Driver memory settings. This is equipped with factory navigation, dual zone climate control, and you've got 3-stage heated front bucket seats, wireless charge pad for your phone, cup holders, and tons of storage here in the center console. Multifunction steering wheel. This is equipped with the steering wheel heating. And as you can see there, current mileage 7,465. Power sunroof. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to give us a call, 614-793-1050. Feel free to check us out on the website. You'll see over 100 photos of this vehicle at autoassets.com.